In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Zoom app on an Android phone. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Zoom. Install the Zoom app. Once installed, tap Open. You can either join a meeting without signing in, or tap Sign In to use your account. Enter your Zoom login details. After signing in, Zoom may ask for permissions. Allow the permissions you need, such as microphone, camera, and notifications. To test everything, tap New Meeting or Join. Make sure your camera and microphone work correctly. You can also go into Settings to adjust your meeting options. And that's how to set up Zoom app on Android.